This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Best Buy reports earnings ahead of Thursday's opening bell. Taking a look back, a fairly strong rally topped out in 2018, right up around the $85 level. The stock pulled back through the rest of 2018, tried to recover in 2019, came back up to the prior high in December, and broke out into February 2020. Well, we know what happened next. It failed to break out, came all the way down, testing the 2018 low successfully in this nice boxy looking pattern, returned to the prior high in July and broke out. Well, the stock did very well up until about August. You see, it got up first to about 118. It finally cleared 118, getting up to about 125, and that's all she wrote. We have a failed breakout there in December. We have another failed breakout in February, another failed breakout here in April, another one in May, and a final one in August. Then it went straight up starting in September right into Thanksgiving weekend, or ahead of Thanksgiving weekend, posting an all-time high 142 and then just crashing southward when Omicron showed up and destroyed sentiment going into year's end. Now, the stock continued to pull back in the new year, and it's then getting hit with another round of sentiment killer through rising inflation and the Ukraine. It's come back to the 200-week moving average right here, and as you can see, in both 2018 and in 2020, the 200-week moving average sort of became the turning point. It spent a little bit of time, see a couple of weeks here below the average, but that finally did the trick in terms of ending those corrections. We're also right back to this prior breakout level, so the prognosis is good for a bottoming action to appear here, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. We really have to keep an eye on this this is the weekly. Keep an eye on the monthly chart. The monthly chart, as you can see, we've gone down to an oversold level that should supply us with upturn, but there's no evidence that we're turning yet, and this can really stretch out because this is monthly. So you might need 3 to 6 bars to turn this around. So I think we might get a bottom around here, but we're not going to get any big upside for the next probably 3 to 6 months at a minimum.